Proverbs 1:19. So are the ways of everyone that is greedy of gain, which taketh away the life of the owner. I remember being greedy for $1 in a meal. All I thought about was hustling so I can make a meal. Working 60-hour weeks, I had to play the field. And my spirit feeling weak because I wasn't in my field. Jaja, you supposed to speak, affect how people feel. Connect with someone every week, I thought we had a deal. And what's the deal with feeling greedy, Jaja? That ain't even real. You're really starting to sound needy. All this just to pay a bill. And these bill collectors working consistently with no chill. Have you noticed how they call every single day and yet still the chances of you picking the phone up one in a mil? Greedy is how they operate, no anesthesia. They probably call you in the middle of you having seizures. They call again the next day, man, that's what I call amnesia. But when you greedy, this is just ordinary procedure. The kind of sickness where you find out they don't really need you. Just what you got and all the treasure that you have. Not concerned about your time, they think your life is up for grabs. So I'm grabbing back my time because this life is all I have. And I gave my life to God and disposed greedy in the trash. Right.